If you want to set your availability in Calendly the right way, this video will walk you through the process step by step so you can control exactly when people can book time on your calendar. Whether you're creating a brand new schedule or updating an existing one, getting your availability set correctly is one of the most important parts of making Calendly work for you. It helps you avoid unwanted bookings, stay organized, and make sure your scheduling page reflects the hours you actually want to offer. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and make sure you subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see several options there, and the one you want is availability. Click on that because this is where Calendly lets you manage the hours, days, and time blocks that people can schedule with you. After you click availability, you'll be taken to your schedule settings. From here, you can open an existing availability schedule if you already have one set up, or create a new one if you want to start fresh. If you're just getting started, creating a new schedule can be a clean way to build exactly what you need. If you already have a schedule, opening it lets you make quick edits without having to rebuild everything. Now select the days you want to be available. This is where you decide which weekdays or specific days should show as bookable. For example, you might want to be available Monday through Thursday, but keep Fridays open for other work. Calendly makes this easy by letting you toggle the days that apply to your schedule. Next, set your available time slots for each day. This is where you enter the actual hours people can book with you. You can define start and end times for each day, and Calendly will use those hours when showing availability on your booking page. If your schedule changes depending on the day, you can customize each one individually so your calendar stays accurate. If you need more flexibility, you can add additional time periods as well. This is useful if you want to be available in the morning, take a break, and then open up again later in the afternoon or evening. Instead of one long block of time, you can create multiple windows throughout the day, which gives you much more control over your schedule. Once everything looks right, make sure to click Save. This step is important because it applies all of your changes and updates your availability settings in Calendly. Without saving, your new schedule won't take effect, so always double check before you move on. After you save, your availability will be updated, and Calendly will use those time slots when someone tries to book with you. That means people will only see the times you've approved, which helps keep your calendar aligned with your actual availability. And that's it. You've now set your availability in Calendly. It's a simple process, but once you know where to go, it becomes really fast to manage. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.